Rational expressions. In this math tutorial, you will learn 1. What are rational expressions? 2. What do rational expressions have in common with rational numbers? 3. What are relatively prime factors? 4. How to convert an algebraic fraction into a rational expression. 5. What the disallowed values are in a rational expression. 6. How to simplify the rational expressions. 7. How to multiply or divide rational expressions. 8. How to add and subtract rational expressions. 9. How to calculate the least common multiple, LCM, of two or more monomials. 10. What are complex fractions? How to deal with them. 11. How to calculate the value of recurring complex fractions. Introduction. As we saw in the previous tutorial, not all expressions resulting from the division of two polynomials are polynomials. This is because the division operation does not possess the closure property. Recall the division of numbers, where the division of two integers does not always give an integer as a result. For example, 30 divided by 8 is equal to 3.75, which is not an integer. Therefore, we must use a different approach when dealing with the division of two polynomials. The expression obtained due to this operation is called rational expression, which we are going to discuss extensively in this tutorial. That is all for introduction to rational expressions. To start this tutorial, please watch the first lesson 11.4.1, a recap of rational numbers. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.